Driving on the road, everything. Let's go somewhere tonight, baby, just you and I, chilling out by yourself.
Get the new Martomium, Sizzler, and Jendah, civil house, the princess, and hey, Gambia. To them, yeah.
Yeah, there you go, you heard it. Comium with Sizzler. Can't get bigger than this. Expect the unexpected. Sizzler Kalani, just a Jendah, Princess Minute. There you go, stay tuned, it's Comium.
Alright, just tell us your real name.
My real name is Miguel Orlando Collins.
Miguel Orlando Collins.
Yes, sir.
Where were you born?
I was born in Jamaica, Scottsdale, St. Mary, February 17, 1976.
Alright. Where did you start your music career?
I'm a youth, but I've been on the scene, on the music industry from 1994.
Alright, Sizzler Kalani, I know you must be inspired by someone.
Yes,
or many. So can you tell us who inspired you or how many inspired you into the music?
First of all, it got to be the most stylish. Now, based on our environmental surroundings, when you see kids suffering, people dying, you know what I mean, all these little things, it all adds up, you know what I mean? So, as a youth growing in the ghetto, we've got eyes, we've got feelings, we're human beings, we have the right, we reserve the right to express ourselves, freedom of speech and opinion. So we went on to really meditate on bad things and say, yeah, it's not right, all these bad things, so we started writing songs. And we had spiritual help and inspiration from man like Bob Marley, Dennis Brown, Jacob Miller, Peter Touch, only we realized great reggae icons in highlight peer groups like Shabba Ramsey, Buju Banton, Caperton, and they are all inspired.
Alright, Sizzler Kalani, everybody had your songs, the lyrics, music into the music and music into the message.
Yes, sir.
So now, what do you kind of spread into the music and the message you kind of send to the public, to the people, those who are oppressed, those who are suppressed, Mama Africa? What kind of music do you send to them? What kind of message?
Righteous music, righteous
Message, yeah,
and
yes.
there's a message in it, definitely. Love,
Exactly.
righteousness, along with education, agriculture, science and technology. Africans, we're great people, and we should advance way above levels where it seems deplorable to the nation. Understand? So my message to you is be educated, stay in school, learn to read and write, keep the community clean, and make sure you got a good hygiene, maintain high quality of hygiene, and remember, have respect for your parents, your mother, your father, respect your neighbors, respect your sisters, your brothers, and others also. And share the love, spread the love, because your message is love. Love is the foundation. high spirit, high passion for Reggaemust. The message we keep is love and righteousness, unity, and try to bring together oneness for African family. It's a pleasure and an honor when we work at the Minister, because I see the Colombian just helping the nation to be the best they can through the music, based on the teachings of His Majesty, the teachings we've received from our forefathers, Rastafarian communities, and people who don't just lean upon our tools. You can call Sizzler, call Sizzler, using the Sizzler, he'll give him an unity, he'll come with people out of the government. Therefore, like the one time,
You're making it right now. You can see what you want to be. Motherland, I'm in the motherland. Still on the station, I live in the land. You're making a right to show you can be what you want to be. Ready, and I'm strong. I know you come rocker. I need fixation. One king, one ruler. One government, all 53 countries. For me now, all stay army. 8 months studies against corporate civilization, manipulation. The basis of government. Offering plan or reparation. Whole talk destruction. Never mind how I keep me down. I'll give you the right to alright. I am here now, free my mind. All they wanna do is domination. All they wanna do now is everyday progression. Man free, man stay free. Man will be free. Bring me down, G20, I and I coaching never empty. G20, have the marijuana no plenty. G20, I and I am bad man so on the G20. This I wanna shut out of your mente. G20, Rastaman have fire on your money. G20, have some people and I'm donkey. G20, two them go this smart for scrappy. G20, two them no yes king Selassie. G20, anything I am I go with. G20, free I and L free I and I show it. G20, self-I fish and I show it. G20, laptop, marijuana, G20, Stalin and Marx, I you set it. G20, socialism, capitalism, and you make it. G20, food and cool, getting scary. G20, rice in my country, it's scary. All they wanna do is world domination. It's everyday profession. Man free, man stay free. Man will be free. Let me free. I am on the